A small business filled with washing machines may not look like a serious business, but some laundromats generate over $300,000 a year in revenue. And surprisingly, many of them run with very little staff. This is why laundromats are often called one of the most underrated cash flow businesses. So how does the laundromat business actually work? And why do so many investors quietly buy them? In this video, we'll break down how laundromats make money, how much they cost to start, and why they can be so profitable. Section 1. The simple business model. The laundromat business is built on a very simple idea. People need clean clothes, but not everyone owns a washing machine at home. This is especially common in apartment buildings, student housing, large cities. Because of this, many people rely on laundromats to wash and dry their clothes. Customers simply bring their laundry, pay for a machine, and the machines do the work. Once installed, these machines can operate all day with minimal supervision. This is one reason laundromats are attractive to investors. Section 2. How laundromats make money. Laundromats earn money through several sources. The main one is washing and drying machines. Most laundromats charge between $3 to $8 per wash. Dryers may cost around $2 to $5 per cycle. Now imagine a laundromat with 30 washing machines and 20 dryers. If those machines are used regularly throughout the day, the revenue can quickly add up. Many laundromats generate $15,000 to $40,000 per month, depending on location. Some even earn much more in busy urban areas. Section 3. Additional revenue streams. Many laundromats also make money through extra services. For example, detergent vending machines, snack vending machines, wash and fold services where staff wash clothes for customers. Some laundromats also offer pick-up and delivery laundry services, which can significantly increase revenue. These additional services can turn a simple laundromat into a full-service laundry business. And you can think of others to add up to make extra cash on the side. Now to Section 4. Why investors like laundromats. There are several reasons investors are attracted to this business. First, laundry is a basic necessity. We all need to launder our clothes. People will always need clean clothes regardless of the economy. Second, laundromats can generate steady recurring income. Customers return regularly, sometimes every week. Third, many laundromats operate with minimal staff, which reduces labor costs. For these reasons, some investors consider laundromats one of the most stable small businesses. The last but not the least is the biggest challenges that laundromats faces. Of course, the laundromat business is not perfect. Machines require maintenance and repairs. Utility costs, especially water and electricity, can be significant. And the location of the laundromat is extremely important. A laundromat in the wrong neighborhood may struggle to attract enough customers. This is why experienced investors carefully study demographics and foot traffic before opening a new location. And this will apply to all kind of businesses. Before you start up, make sure you study your demographics and foot traffic, and then you can go on to pick the correct location. Now, the laundromat business may not sound exciting, but it's a perfect example of how simple businesses can generate serious income. While many entrepreneurs chase flashy startup ideas, some investors quietly build wealth through businesses most people ignore. And that is what Christoni Invest has been trying to talk about throughout his investment portfolio. Because sometimes the most boring businesses are also the most profitable. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Christoni Invest for more insights on business, entrepreneurship, and building long-term wealth.